Welcome to Biz Control, your ultimate business management partner. Today, we'll guide you through our updated Add Project feature. From your main dashboard, navigate to the My Project section. Here, you'll see your project categories. Tap on Showroom and let's get started by selecting Add Project. First, bring your showroom listing to life by uploading your primary images directly from your gallery. Next, let's fill in the essential details. Enter a descriptive name for your showroom, select your state and city, and provide the exact location coordinates. Always enter the coordinates of the actual project site. Do not use the office or sales office coordinates, ensuring dealers and clients can reach the correct location. You can also easily add video links like a YouTube showcase along with primary and secondary contact numbers to keep communications seamless. Provide at least 2 helpline numbers for every project so dealers can instantly confirm prices and inventory. Now, let's set the pricing. First, let's look at the budget range. This section defines the entry-level starting price of your project up to its maximum valuation. Enter the total value of the property here. For example, 45 lakh rupees, 1 crore rupees. Do not enter the rate per square foot/yard. Under the property information section, specify the property type as showroom from the drop-down menu. You can then add specific details like the RERA number, safe storage capacity, RERA approval status, and financial options like bank loan availability. To ensure trust, upload the certified layout map of the property. Once you hit Next, your core property details are saved successfully. Now, let's add the specific units available within the project. Enter the unit numbers, select the area measurement style, and input the size dimensions. In the last login price field, enter the final premium pricing tier offered to your standard channel partners. In the last discounted price field, specify the exclusive lower rate reserved solely for the Biz Control network. Please ensure this discounted price is set lower than your last login price, representing your most competitive network rate. Last login price and discounted price should always be entered on a per rate basis. For example, per square foot, per square yard, or per square meter, not as a total amount. To help dealers get a complete picture, define the exact dimensions, the facing direction, and any unique features, such as main road attachments or nearby parks. Other charges and PLC, preferential location charges. Keep these as minimal as possible or zero to ensure the project sells quickly across the network. You can seamlessly add multiple units under the same project to keep everything organized. Finally, let's set up the financial structure. Click on Add Plan to create customized payment models like Plan A or Plan B, breaking down the required percentages across monthly timelines to suit your business needs. Once your payment plans are saved, your new project is fully created and instantly viewable under your Showroom tab. After adding a unit, you can edit its price, inventory, area, or status at any time. Mark sold units as red. To showcase project demand, you may also mark a few units as fake sold, fake red if necessary. Streamline your listings and empower your business. Download Biz Control today, available on the App Store and Google Play Store.